everybody, thank you for joining me today. My name is Kelsey and I work for PHE Canada. So today we're going to be going over an activity that's called Healthy Snack Inventor, and it's geared towards students in grade levels 4 to 6. So the materials that you need for this activity include a pen or a pencil and some paper, and then any ingredients that you're going to be working with today. So just to make sure we follow some safety considerations, especially within the kitchen, make sure you have an adult anytime that you're working with a knife or cutting. And before we start cooking anything, we always have to make sure we wash our hands and stay clean. So that's what I'm going to do first. Why learn an activity like this? This Healthy Food Inventor activity is awesome for people who want to be able to make a no-bake healthy snack. You can use any type of snack you want to create. Because it's Healthy Food Inventor, you can use this paper and pen to come up with anything you want. Today, I'm going to look at Canada's food guide for some options. They have some great no-bake snacks that you can look through. The one that I'm going to be using today is called fruit kebabs with maple cinnamon yogurt dip. So I'm going to be following that recipe, but like I said, this is an invention activity, so you can choose anything you want. So to start, we're going to look at our ingredients. You can use basically any fruit of choice that you want. I went with what I had in my house right now. As we see here, we have strawberries, blueberries, and bananas. For the yogurt, I chose a vanilla yogurt, but you can use plain Greek yogurt or whatever type of yogurt you would like. And then we have cinnamon and maple syrup that we're going to add to include within our mixture. So the fruit is going to be on a kebab. So because kebabs are pointy, just make sure you have parental guidance when you go through and make the healthy snack. So first of all, we're going to have to chop our fruit if needed. So you take a banana and you peel it, chop it up into small slices as such. Because I already did that, I'm going to skip that process. Next, you're going to have your strawberries. You can cut them up any way you like. I cut the stem off, and then I cut them up into 4 slices of equal size, and I added them to the yogurt, to the strawberry bowl. And then blueberries, just make sure that you get as many blueberries as you would like. But before we put any of these fruit in our mouth, make sure you use a strainer and wash your fruit with water. So next we're going to start to form our kebabs. So you take a kebab stick and you start to pile the fruit on whichever way you would like to do. So I might choose to do a strawberry on top and then maybe add a few blueberries, and you push them all the way down to the bottom like that. And you can continue along until you make kebabs that look like this. The next step is our yogurt dip. So you're going to clear your station and keep it clean as you go through this whole process. So I'm going to leave my excess fruit over there, leave my kebabs on my display tray right there, and I'm going to start with the yogurt dip. So you get an empty bowl and you take your 1 cup of yogurt and get a spoon and you spoon out your 1 cup of yogurt in the bowl as such. Next, you should have 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. So get your measuring spoons and you're going to pour out 1 tablespoon of maple syrup and pour it in. And then it asks for half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Now, if you have any loose ingredients, it's sometimes easiest to go pour them over the sink. There you go. Once you have your ingredients in the bowl as such, you take your whisk and you mix it all together. So it's gonna form a really nice color, and you can still see the bit of cinnamon that's in there. So once you've made up your yogurt mixture, you can put your whisk away, take a kebab, and enjoy. Dipping your fruit in, and you have a healthy no-bake snack. Go on to Canada's Food Guide online, and you can find amazing no-bake recipes that are great for snacks, or you can make something up all by yourself. It's always great to have parents or guardians that are able to help you within the kitchen. Make sure you always follow safety standards and make sure your hands are clean before you start cooking. Thank you so much for cooking with me. Have a great day.